Good day, everybody. I am really excited to bring you our newest integration, OpenBOM for Odoo. And let me take you through it. It starts, of course, with a digital bill of materials from OpenBOM. A lot of information here, cost, images, derivative files, vendor information, all of that information contained in your OpenBOM bill of material. And I want to direct you now to this new Odoo integration that's available up here. Let's take a look at that. By clicking on Odoo integration from the BOM, we're taken through and some of this setup will be done by your admin, is taken through an authentication area to connect you to your company's Odoo. All filtering and property mapping is available here. So I can map all my descriptions, costs, part numbers, thumbnail image. I can map and send all that information directly over to Odoo, as well as any other derivative or neutral files that are being generated out of CAD or separately as drawings, PDFs. Step files in this case could also contain DXF, STLs, and other things. An easy export to Odoo, and OpenBOM goes through, picks up your digital data, and sends it to your Odoo bill of materials. After a moment of processing, we get a link to our OpenBOM, to our Odoo BOM. Let's follow that and see what it looks like. Here we find our bill of material in OpenBOM. In a BOM structure in Odoo, in a BOM structure view, I get the same multi-level structure that I have in OpenBOM, and we can take a look at some of these items individually. I believe this is the 1003. That's the battery. Pricing and information about it came across. We see also that we may have documents, step files, PDFs, and things associated with that. So I want to close by saying all the product information comes across into Odoo as well as product tiles. And this is really important if you're an engineer or even if you're working on the business side in your company, to bring that accurate digital bill of material from OpenBOM to Odoo now. It's as easy as one click. So look for that in the next few days. We'll be releasing that OpenBOM for Odoo. Love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.